TaoTronics 23. So we're gonna do another unboxing today. So I came home from shopping and saw this on my front porch. Big old gnarly long box here. And let's see what we've got in it. Come on. And we have, oh cool, this is a TaoTronics soundbar. So, full disclosure, I went to them for this. I bought a few of their products and whatnot, and I feel that so far they're doing pretty good as far as the quality of a product. And yeah, I mean, I've been somewhat happy with it. So anyway, I've been looking for a sound bar, and I want to do a review on one of these puppies. So here we go. This sound bar has optical input, and I guess I could have set this shot up a little bit better. I believe this is 31, 32 inches in length. And it comes with a wireless remote, I believe. Yes, it does. So it's got optical in, HDMI in, and it is Bluetooth. And look at that. It's corded. No AC wall adapter. That's awesome. I did not know that. All right, here we go. We got optical in, auxiliary in. Very nice. Very adaptable. I could see using one of these on a laptop. I could see using this on a home PC, maybe underneath your monitor. Obviously on a TV with optical output. It has not remote. It's Bluetooth enabled with equalizer settings, and that's kind of a neat looking piece of gear. I see I see two drivers. I see a driver here, passive radiator, two drivers, and possibly another passive in here. So it's divided. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, wrong camera for this unboxing. All right, cool. Well, I'm going to put it through its paces, and I'll do a review on it. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.